Hello everyone. Welcome to couponswipes.com. Are you on the hunt for unbeatable deals and exclusive coupon codes for your favorite online stores? You've come to the right place. At Coupon Swipes, we're all about helping you save big with amazing discounts. In today's video, we're going to show you just how effortless it is to score a fantastic Amazon coupon code on our website. Here's how you can unlock incredible savings at Amazon with just a few simple steps. Head to couponswipes.com, type Amazon into the search bar. Here you will see a list of available coupons and deals. Click the one that catches your eye or matches what you're looking for. As you can see, your deal is activated. Hit Go to Store. Here, you can buy anything you want, with discounts. Just paste the code during the checkout to enjoy those sweet savings. Don't forget to check the description for a direct link to the Amazon coupon codes and start saving today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Coupon Swipes.